Thinking about upgrading your MTB rear suspension but confused about which shock to choose? You're not alone. The market is packed with options. Air shocks promise lightweight performance, coil shocks offer durability and comfort, and many come with features like rebound adjustment and lockout that can completely change your ride. In today's video, I've researched and analyzed real rider reviews, performance tests, and key specs to bring you the top 5 best MTB rear shocks for 2026, perfect for mountain bikers, trail riders, and even e-bike users who want better control, smoother rides, and maximum performance. So don't skip, watch till the end, because the last option might be the perfect upgrade for your bike. Item number 5. The MTB rear air shock is built for XC and trail riding, offering smooth performance with adjustable air pressure, rebound, and lockout features. Its durable AL7075 shaft and AL6061 body ensure strength and long-lasting use. Riders can fine-tune damping using the rebound knob and easily switch between locked and open modes. Compatible with standard American valves, it supports up to 250 psi air pressure. Available in multiple sizes, this shock absorber improves comfort, control, and overall riding efficiency on rough terrains. Item number 4. This coil spring rear shock absorber delivers enhanced comfort and durability for everyday riding. Designed to absorb bumps and reduce vibration, it protects your bike's frame while improving stability. The adjustable rebound knob allows easy control, with plus and minus settings for faster or slower response. Built for versatility, it fits mountain bikes, e-bikes, folding bikes, and scooters. With multiple size options from 125mm to 190mm and load capacities up to 1,500 pounds, it offers reliable performance for different riding needs. Item number 3. This lightweight MTB Air rear shock is designed for XC and trail riding, delivering strong performance on rough terrain. It features adjustable air pressure up to 275 psi, rebound control, and a 3-step lockout system for better riding flexibility. Built with a durable AL7075 shaft and AL6061 body, it ensures strength and reliability. Riders can easily fine-tune damping for comfort and control. Available in multiple sizes, this shock absorber enhances stability, efficiency, and overall riding experience across different trail conditions. Item number 2. This dual-air rear shock is designed for versatile use across XC, trail, MTB, city bikes, and even wheelchairs. It features 4 key adjustments, including damping, compression lock, air pressure, and stroke control, allowing riders to fine-tune performance. Built with a durable AL7050 inner shaft, it ensures smooth and stable operation. The rebound knob enables precise damping control, while the 3-step lockout adds flexibility. With multiple size options, this shock improves comfort, stability, and riding efficiency on various terrains. Item number 1. This air pressure rear shock absorber offers versatile performance for mountain bikes, e-bikes, folding bikes, and scooters. With multiple size and travel options, it suits different riding styles and needs. Riders can easily adjust air pressure up to 250 psi using a standard American valve for a customized feel. Built from lightweight aluminum alloy, it ensures durability and strength. The sealed design protects against dust and water, while the stylish finish adds a modern touch to your bike setup.